What's up, guys? This is LINUS the Taiwanese who teaches Chinese online. People who study Chinese will eventually be faced with the question, do you have a Chinese name? Unless you have Chinese-speaking friends who can help choose one for you, you may find yourself struggling when trying to pick one for yourself. If this is you, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I will introduce some handy tips that can help you find yourself a great Chinese name. Let's get started.
Number 1. The structure of Chinese names. 中文名字的结构.
In Chinese, we place the last name or family name before the first name. Using my name Liu Yichen as an example. Liu is my family name and Yichen is my first name. Most Chinese names consist of 3 characters, where the first character represents the family name and the remaining 2 characters the first name. However, there are still some family names that use 2 characters, as well as some people are given first names with only 1 character.
Number 2. Just rewrite your name in Chinese. 直接用中文重写你的名字.
If you don't care about the structures of your Chinese name, you can just rewrite your native name by using Chinese characters that have a similar pronunciation. For example, Will Smith, 威尔史密斯 Johnny Depp, 强尼戴普 and Bill Gates, 比尔盖茨 and so on.
Number 3. A Chinese-like last name. 说中文的人会用的姓氏.
If you want to have a Chinese-like last name, I suggest that you find a common Chinese last name that sounds like the first syllable of your native last name. Let's say your last name is Smith, then you can use 史 as your last name. If you check out the descriptions below, I have put the list of the most common Chinese last names that you can use as inspiration. Feel free to check it out.
Number 4. A Chinese-like first name. 说中文的人会用的名字.
As for your first name, almost every Chinese character has its own meaning. This means you can simply look for Chinese characters that have the meaning that you like. Here are some common things you can use as inspiration when choosing your first name. Any meaning that you like, your character or personality, what kind of person that you want to be, your expectations of yourself, and existing name. Some foreigners will just pick the name of the celebrity or historical person, which is also fine. When you have decided on what meaning of your name should be, then you can finally move on to the final step.
Number 5. Reach out to your native speaker and confirm the name. 找一个母语者确认你的名字没问题.
If you have been through everything we have mentioned up until now, and feel satisfied with your new Chinese name, then before you finalize it, I suggest that you first run it by a native speaker. By discussing the name with a native speaker, you can get some good feedback that allow you to avoid choosing a silly or inappropriate name. Thank you for watching this video. You should now be better equipped to find a great sounding Chinese name for yourself. If you already have a Chinese name, feel free to tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear what it means and how you decided on it. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye!